Many Americans don't realize this. Even if you brush your teeth carefully every day, you can still have bad breath, and the cause might not even be your teeth. In our daily lives in the US, most people focus on cleaning the areas they can easily see. But what often gets overlooked are the hidden spots toward the back of the mouth. In the tonsil area, there are natural small crevices that aren't smooth at all. They're more like a sponge with tiny holes. Food particles can get trapped there easily, and over time, bacteria break them down, which can create odors. Sometimes, small pebble-like stones can also form, making it feel like something is stuck in your throat or leading to recurring bad breath. In the US, many people brush twice a day but still skip flossing and deeper cleaning steps that actually matter a lot. Brushing mainly cleans the surface, while the spaces between teeth and the back areas are where buildup tends to happen. So the key isn't necessarily